Mabuhay Manila, this is Pope from ManilaShaker.com. Last year, Realme released Narzo 30 in addition to their Narzo series. And this year, they put out another addition to it, the Realme Narzo 30a. Today, we'll unbox this newest budget phone from Realme. Let's begin. First off is the box. We are now seeing quite unusual colors here. There's a new refresher design, the box is now blue, and there's a big Narzo logo on the front. It has a huge difference from last year's Narzo 28. Looking at the bottom part of its back, we have the 4GB plus 64GB configuration. On the top part, we have the key features of this phone, a large 6.5-inch screen, 13 megapixel AI dual camera, a huge 6000 mAh powered battery with an 18 watts quick charge. And lastly is the Helio G85 processor, which means that this will be a gaming centric phone, at least, but we will test it on our full review or gaming review soon. So let's see what's in the box. The box also has a new style. Unlike previous Realme devices, this slides out of the cover. Sliding it down will reveal the compartment box, which comes in white. Everything feels new and I think Realme is up to something. Now let's check what's inside the compartment box. As usual, it has the SIM ejector pin and some documentations. Underneath the compartment box is the device itself, and at the bottom is the 18-watt power brick and the charging cable. Luckily, it is USB Type-C. Now let's talk about its features. Like most smartphones nowadays, I mean budget smartphones, it has a curved back and chunky but feels solid because of its huge 6000 mAh battery. The unit you have is the laser blue, but it also comes in laser black. The design is very unique and catchy. For the most part, it has a textured line that adds grip and doesn't pick up fingerprint smudges. The textured lines have some depth into them that adds a 3D effect. To be honest, it really looks like a blanket for me. Top of it comes with a smooth finish and you can see the Narzo logo, fingerprint scanner, and the dual camera along with an LED flash. And there's another circle that doesn't have any lens that has a text that says AI. It looks like you have a triple camera but you are not. Anyway, looking at its frame, it has a volume rocker and the power button on the right, then a SIM tray on the left with dual nano SIM slot and expandable storage slot. It has nothing up top, but at the bottom, it has the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Switching on the front, we get a nearly outdated drop notch housing an 8 megapixel front camera. While the screen boasts a 6.5-inch IPS LCD with 720p resolution. We found the bezels quite chunky, but definitely for its specs segment, it's in the usual size just like other phones. Under the hood, it is powered with an entry-level gaming chipset, the MediaTek Helio G85 with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. As we said earlier, it has a 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. It runs on Android 10.0 with Realme UI on top out of the box. All benchmarks will be reviewed soon on our review. Going to its battery, it is backed with a massive 6000 mAh powered battery, which basically one of the selling points of this device. Now on its camera, it is equipped with a 13 megapixel camera along with 2 megapixel black and white sensor. Now that you've seen the specs and the design of the Realme Narzo 30a, can you tell us in the comment section below how much does this latest powerful machine would cost? If you want to watch the live launch of this latest budget phone from Realme, mark your date as they will go live on Facebook on March 25, 6 PM. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching and be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell to be notified of our future contents. Also, don't forget to visit ManilaShaker.com for more tech news, reviews, and comparison of the latest devices. Again, I'm Pope. Mabuhay Manila.